Hey, what's going on guys? Eduardo Cakes here. Just want to make a quick YouTube video showing you guys how to bypass queue on Shopify websites, more specifically on the Concepts website for this release tomorrow. So first thing we're going to want to do is download Chrome Autofill. It's an extension for your Chrome web browser. Once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to add a random ass item to your cart and proceed to checkout like you're going to actually buy it. So you're going to add all your actual information. So once all your information is inputted, you're going to want to select generate autofill rules, close that, and then just continue. So click I am not a robot and then continue to shipping method. Once you're here to shipping method, just continue to your payment method. Actually input your real credit card information and then do the same thing. Generate autofill rules on this page as well. And since we want the Concept shoes that are going to be dropping tomorrow, not the random ass thing you have in your cart, do not complete order. Just copy the link you have on your URL and paste it to your desktop. Then you're going to want to download Fast Scripts, which is going to be down in the description to download. It's going to look like this. Once you have it downloaded, you're going to click on Fast Scripts and then go to Open Scripts folder and then go to Library Scripts. Click on that. It's going to open this folder up, and then you're going to want to copy that link that we have on your desktop now. Copy it, Command C, and then paste it into here. So hit Command V. You're going to want to put in your password if it does ask you for your password, and then we should be done with that. Then you're going to want to go up here, click on Fast Scripts and go to Preferences. Once we're at Preferences, you're going to see a few things up here. You're going to go to Script Shortcuts, click on Payment Method, the one we just made. Click on that and then hit Command Shift K is the shortcut I'm going to be using, so Command Shift K. Alright, now we can close this, and once we are in our Chrome browser, hit Command Shift K. It should open up the link and it should take us right to checkout. Now we could remove the random item we put in our cart earlier, so make sure our cart is empty. Now let's play pretend real quick and say these are the Lobster shoes that are going to be releasing. You're going to add them to your cart, and once they're in your cart like this, instead of hitting proceed to checkout, you're going to hit Command Shift K. Now it should take you to the complete my order page and autofill will kick in. Then that's basically you guys check out the shoe and you cook, and you don't have to wait in line like other bozos. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and yeah, join my cook group too. I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.